Hi, it's August 8th, about 9:45 p.m. and I just unboxed my new Ryobi Brushless 1+ HP 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Didn't come with the blade installed, that's okay. But when I went to install the blade, I noticed this. So it's making this noise when I move the blade. Took it apart. Looks like the blade's installed correctly. The spacer's in there like it says, faced out towards the blade. Put it all back together again and it's still doing this. So do I have a bad saw before I ever plug a battery into it? Or is this normal? I don't know. I'm going to ask people and find out. I don't know. Maybe I need to take it apart and put it back together one more time. Just seems very strange to me. Thank you for listening. Talk to you later. Bye.